Okay, we're looking at a question, and it says let our cost function equal 5x plus 21, and that's going to be the cost function to produce x units of a product. Our revenue function is going to be negative x squared plus 17x, so that's the revenue for this function. And I want you to find the maximum profit. So we're looking for the maximum profit. And the profit comes from taking your revenue function and subtracting costs. Which, think about it, your revenue is what you bring in, cost is what it costs you. So when you take the cost away from revenue, that's your profit. So let's plug in our functions. So revenue is negative x squared plus 17x minus my cost function, 5x plus 21. Simplify our profit function. I have negative x squared plus 17x, distribute that negative, minus 5x minus 21, and we can combine like terms. So I have negative x squared plus 12x, because 17x minus 5x is 12x minus 21. So there is our profit function. Now I need to take that profit function we just found, and we need to find the maximum of it. Well, when you look at your profit function, it's a parabola, and it's a parabola up and down. And I know that because I have a maximum exponent of x squared, or a square, which means it's a parabola, and the negative in front of that tells me it's up and down. So we do have a maximum. And there is a relatively short way to find the vertex, because that's where the maximum or minimum would lie, depending on what we're trying to find. We have x equals negative b over 2a. That will give me the x coordinate of the vertex, which would be where the maximum is located. And then I'm going to take that number when I find it and plug it back into my function, and that will give me my actual maximum value. So let's plug in. Okay, I have negative b. B is 12. There's my b. Divided by 2 times a, and a is that negative 1. So I have negative 12 divided by negative 2, which is 6. So that's if I'm looking at my vertex, that is the x variable of the vertex, or the x coordinate of our vertex. But I need the maximum, so the y is always what tells you what the maximum is. So I'm looking for the p of 6. So I'm looking for a p of 6, so I plug 6 in to my function. And then we can simplify this. And remember, this is negative 6 squared. It's not in parentheses, so it would be negative 36 plus 12 times 6, which is 72, minus 12. And then when I calculate negative 36 plus 72 minus 12, we get 15. So that would be the maximum profit for making these, or whatever we're making. It would be a maximum of the $15, especially if we're talking money, which is usually what we are. We're talking cost. So we're looking at a maximum of $15.